Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best animal beads is probably one of the most versatile and charming craft supplies available today, offering endless possibilities for creativity and personalization across a wide range of projects, from jewelry making and scrapbooking to embellishing clothing and home decor, making them a must-have for any crafting enthusiast looking to add a unique and playful touch to their creations. Number 5. SUNNYCLUE DIY Bead Pets Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with our DIY Bead Pets Kit. It's perfect for expressing your creativity and making unique accessories. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll find plenty of beads, cords, and clasps for endless possibilities. Don't worry if you're new to crafting. Our kit comes with clear instructions and sample pictures to guide you every step of the way. Get creative with a stunning array of 9 vibrant colors. Mix and match them to create truly personalized bead pets. Once you've finished your creations, attach them to key rings or clasps. Decorate your backpack, keys, or school lanyards with your handmade treasures. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is an ideal choice for craft lovers, perfect for back to school or as a Christmas craft gift. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive crafting experience with all the necessary components included. If you're looking for a project that provides clear guidance and allows for immediate accessorizing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy a structured DIY activity with a tangible, wearable outcome. What people say. The beads are very cute and have a good size for crafting. The variety of animals is impressive, and they are well made. These beads are perfect for making bracelets and necklaces, and they hold up well. Number 4. SNS Worldwide Sealife Bead Mix. Discover our charming Sealife bead mix, featuring delightful whale, turtle, dolphin, and seal shapes. These large, transparent beads are perfect for your next crafting project. With a generous 4mm hole, stringing these beads is a breeze for little hands. They are designed for easy handling, making jewelry creation simple and enjoyable. Mix these unique shapes with pony beads to create vibrant and personalized jewelry. Let kids' imaginations swim wild with these fun, sea-themed beads. Get approximately 120 beads in every 1 2-pound bag, offering fantastic value. Enjoy brilliant colors that will make any creation pop. Each bead measures a substantial 25mm, providing a great canvas for creativity. Their large size ensures they stand out in any design. These beads are ideal for a variety of craft projects, from bracelets to necklaces. Experience smart prices and endless crafting possibilities. What we like? These beads stand out with their generous size and distinct sea creature designs, making stringing incredibly simple. If you need beads that are easy for little hands to manage or want to create bold, statement pieces, these are ideal. They are perfect for younger crafters or for projects where visibility and ease of use are key. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good weight to them. The variety of animal shapes is impressive, with clear details on each bead. They are perfect for crafting and jewelry making, holding their shape well. Number 3. 200 PCS Animal Clay Beads for Jewelry Making. Discover our collection of vibrant animal-shaped clay beads, perfect for adding a playful touch to your creations. They are made from durable acrylic and vinyl polymer clay, ensuring bright and lasting colors. These charming beads feature adorable animal faces, designed to bring extra fun and a splash of color to all your DIY jewelry projects. Each bead measures about 9 to 10 mm in diameter and 4.5 to 5 mm in thickness, with a 2 mm hole size, making them ideal for various jewelry designs. Easily craft beautiful bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and more with these versatile beads. Let your creativity shine. This package includes 200 pieces of animal polymer clay spacer beads, providing plenty of material for all your crafting needs. What we like? Featuring adorable animal faces in vibrant colors, these beads add a playful touch to any creation. If you love adding charming details to your jewelry or accessories and prefer smaller, intricate designs, you should consider these. They are perfect for creating delicate bracelets, necklaces, or keychains with a fun, whimsical flair. What people say. The beads are small and cute, perfect for crafting. Good variety of colors and shapes, great for jewelry making. Number 2. Hicarer 180 PCS animal-shaped beads. Unleash your creativity with these colorful animal-shaped beads. Perfect for a variety of DIY projects, they bring life to any creation. You'll receive approximately 180 pieces, totaling 0.66 pounds, in a delightful assortment of zoo and marine animal shapes. Their vivid colors and unique designs offer endless possibilities. Each bead measures about 1 inch, with a 4 mm hole, ideal for jewelry making. Please note these are small items, best used with adult supervision for children. Crafted from reliable plastic, these beads are built to last. They are lightweight, compact, and designed to maintain their bright colors over time. These charms are perfect for creating necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and more. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy a relaxing crafting experience. Surprise your loved ones with these unique beads. They make a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, fostering joy and connection. What we like. With a wide variety of zoo animal shapes in bright, lasting colors, these beads offer endless creative possibilities. If you're aiming to create diverse jewelry or accessories with a playful, educational theme, these are an excellent option. They are particularly suitable for kids' DIY projects or for anyone who enjoys crafting with a variety of animal figures. What people say. They are colorful, easy to handle and string. There is a good variety of animals as well. It is a great teaching tool as well as the animals can be named before and after eating. Pieces are nicely colored and don't feel weak or cheap. Number 1. 200 PCS Colorful Animal Mixed Polymer Clay DIY Beads, 10 mm. Get a generous pack of 200 mixed color clay animal beads. This ample quantity ensures you have plenty for all your creative jewelry projects. Each bead is 10 mm in diameter, with a 2 mm hole, making them ideal for most DIY jewelry and craft applications. They are the perfect size for your creations. Crafted from lightweight polymer clay, these beads feature a variety of cute, colorful animal shapes. They are perfect for adding a touch of fashion to your accessories. Use these charming spacer beads to design unique necklaces, bracelets, earrings, keychains, and more. They are perfect for creating elegant and personalized ornaments. Please note these contain small parts and are not suitable for children. We offer a 60-day return policy and are here to answer any questions you may have within 24 hours. What we like. These soft polymer clay beads come in a delightful mix of colorful animal shapes, perfect for fashion-forward accessories. If you are looking to craft unique, trendy jewelry with a comfortable feel and a touch of personality, these are a fantastic choice. They are ideal for adults seeking to create stylish, lightweight pieces for personal wear or as gifts. What people say. The beads are very cute and have a good variety of animals. They are a good size for crafting and easy to work with. The colors are bright and vibrant, making the finished products look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.